Hello and a warm welcome. How many of you know that there is a very simple concept to understand whether a person is operating from the space of being emotionally intelligent or not? If not, continue to watch this video till the end and you will come to know of it. My name is Shankar Vishwanath. I am a fellow chartered accountant and a certified emotional intelligence coach, and today I am going to talk to you and give you this wonderful concept called as oar versus bed. What is oar versus bed? It's an acronym. Imagine that there is a horizontal line. Imagine there is a horizontal line. So if someone is operating below the line, then you can be sure that they are operating from a space of negative emotional intelligence. And if someone is operating above the line, you can be sure that they are operating from a space of positive emotional intelligence. Let's look at the concept. Below the line is an acronym called BED. BED stands for bed. B stands for blame. E stands for excuses. D stands for denial. Now, how do you understand whether someone is operating from this space? Let's take an example. Let's say your daughter or your son comes back from the exam in the school and starts saying that teacher always sets a lengthy paper, blaming the teacher. I knew all the answers. I could have easily finished the paper. However, it was pretty lengthy. Excuses. Yeah, but I will surely get many marks, more marks. Don't worry. How will you get more marks if you have left around 20-25 marks of the paper unfinished? Denial. So, if someone is operating from the space of above the line, then they take ownership, O, accountability, A, and R, responsibility. They operate from a space of or. Now, what could the child have done in this case? She or he could have taken the responsibility to study well. He or she could have taken the ownership of writing and practicing. Nothing stopped them from doing that, isn't it? He or she can take the accountability of trying to finish the paper quickly, trying to be more crisp in the answers. What is in your hand is in your control. No point in blaming others, giving excuses, and living in denial if you can't take ownership, accountability, and responsibility for your action. So that's the concept of oar versus bed. So the next time somebody comes to you with an excuse, with a blaming attitude, first make them understand this concept, and thereafter maybe you may just have to ask them, are you talking below the line or are you talking above the line? Tell me that first. And it's a very powerful statement, believe me. So I do hope that you will make use of this concept and become aware of your own emotional intelligence and the emotional intelligence of others. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and if you think it will help somebody, do share it. Until next time, this is Shankar Vishwanath signing off, asking you to take good care of yourself. Goodbye and God bless.